Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. And how are you doing all? Doing good? So what we have done in the last class? Come on. What we have done in the last class? We have done atomic mass, gram atomic mass, molecular weight, gram molecular weight. We've done gram molecule, gram ion, gram atom. So all those concepts are commanded. Okay. Chalo. If they are commanded, that we'll do today. We'll do it today. Don't worry at all. Sit down. See now. So we are going to start again our mole concept. The journey of the mole will keep on moving. So see now, today we'll be trying to do the practice of certain question based on certain concepts we are going to learn. As I told you in the last lecture that that weight is the least important thing in the world of physical chemistry. Okay, like if you go to a shop, like say, and you ask that please give me, like say, 1 mole of hydrogen gas. So the person who is there and the shopkeeper, he might ask that what you're asking, man. I mean, I can give hydrogen in terms of, like say, you can ask me 10 liter, or like say 2 liter kind of thing. I do not know what you're asking. Why are you asking 1 mole of H2? I do not know that stuff. So the shopkeeper, the common man, does not know these terminologies. Okay, you give me, like say, 2 liter of hydrogen, I'll take it. And then you ask again, okay, you give me, like say, 2 mole of say sodium. You ask 2 moles of sodium, and at this point the shopkeeper will be very angry. क्या बोल क्या रहे हो तुम यार? मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे ग्राम में बोलो यार, मैं तुम्हें ग्राम में दूंगा. तुम्हें 10 ग्राम चाहिए, तुम्हें 20 ग्राम चाहिए, तुम्हें कितना चाहिए तुमको, है ना? I'll give it to you. ये तो मोल तुमने क्या कर रखा है यार, है ना? So the point is that in the market, when you go to purchase these chemicals, you will find that the shopkeeper will be giving all these things either in terms of, like say, weight, volume or number, है ना? But he does not know the mole. But we have to write down the equation in mole. For example, if I write down, like say, 2H2 plus O2 giving you, like say, 2H2O. So this equation is written in terms of mole. Okay, this equation may not be in terms of weight, may not be in terms of volume or numbers, but it is written in terms of what? Moles. Getting it? So we have to find a way that how we can convert the weight, volume and number of particles in mole. So there is a way for that stuff, and like say we'll have this as number of moles, and if they give you weight, अगर वो आपको weight देते हैं तो to convert the weight into number of moles, better remember that you have to divide by molecular weight or atomic weight, as the case may be. If it is a molecule, divide by the molecular weight, and if it is an atom, divide by the atomic weight. And also remember that if they give you, say, number, hash means, better for me, number of particles, number of molecules, for example, na? So if they give you number of particles, in order to convert them into number of moles, divide these number of particles by Avogadro's number, and you will get number of moles. I told you number of moles is the most important entity in the world of physical chemistry. Okay, and like say, if they give you the gas in liter, they are giving the gas in liter at STP. In that case, you got to divide this by 22.4 liter. Okay, divide by 22.4 liter and you will get number of moles. Getting it or not? So if they give you weight, can you calculate number of moles? कर सकते हैं आप लोग. कैसे करोगे? Divide the weight by the number, molecular weight or the atomic weight, depending on कि वो जो एलिमेंट है या जो आपको केमिकल दिया हुआ है, जो मॉलिक्यूल दिया हुआ है या जो कंपाउंड दिया हुआ है, वो मॉलिक्यूल है तो डिवाइड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, अगर वो एक एलिमेंट है तो डिवाइड बाय द एटॉमिक वेट. ओके, एंड इफ दे गिव यू द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, डिवाइड बाय एवोगाड्रो नंबर टू गेट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. एंड इफ दे गिव यू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस इन लीटर एट एसटीपी, इन ऑर्डर टू कन्वर्ट दिस थिंग इनटू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, डिवाइड बाय 22.4 liter. Yes or no? Okay, great. So I mean, can you do one thing? Can you convert this weight into volume? देखो यही 3 रोड आपको ट्रेवल करनी है, कुछ और ट्रेवल भी नहीं करना है अपने को, है ना? अगर आपको मैं वेट दे दूं तो क्या आप गैस का वॉल्यूम पता कर लेंगे? अगर मैंने आपको गैस का वेट दिया हुआ है तो हाँ जी कर सकते हैं. क्यों नहीं कर सकते भाई? वेट से यहां गए, आए कहां पर? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पे. फिर नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पे कहां गए? आप यहां पर आएंगे. यहां जाने के लिए टू गो देयर यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 22.4 एंड टू कम बैक हियर टू गो इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22.4. If you want to go down, divide by molecular weight and you have to convert number of moles into weight, multiply by multiply by molecular weight or atomic weight. Similarly, if you want to come down, divide number of particles by Avogadro's number, and if you want to convert number of moles into number of particles, multiply by the Avogadro's number. अंदर आने के लिए आपको divide करना है, बाहर जाने के लिए you have to multiply. Yes or no? Yes or no? And suppose that if this weight has to be converted into what? Volume of the gas, what you will do? Divide by the molecular weight, and since you're going down, you have to multiply now by 22.4 liter. Yes or no? And if they give you the volume of the gas, can you convert this volume into number of particles, the number of molecules of the gas? Yes, we can convert. यहां से यहां जाना है तो क्या करेंगे? Divide by the 22.4 liter, and once you reach over here, you have to go outside. For going outside, you will multiply by whom? Avogadro's number, and you will get the number of particles. Okay, so can I say this thing? Can I say this thing that volume of gas at STP, if I give you weight, will be what? Weight divided by the molecular weight of the gas. Weight divided by molecular weight of the gas. And if I want to go outside, what I'll do? Multiply by 22.4 liter. Are you getting that? So I'll get the volume of the gas, of the given weight of the gas. Suppose if I have to find out volume of the gas, if I give you number of particles, so volume of the gas, if I give you number of particles, will be what? Number of particles of the gas divided by the Avogadro's number. By doing so, you will come to what? Number of moles. And from here, you have to go outside. Going outside requires multiplication by 22.4 liter into 22.4 liter, and you will get the volume of the gas. Is that clear or not? If that is clear, I believe that we can handle that even more properly. Okay, so can I put it over here? Is it visible to all of you? Yes, it might be visible to you. Okay, now come over here. Like suppose say, if I give you weight of a substance, can you convert the weight of the substance into number of particles? Can you convert that? Chalo, batao how you will do that. So number of particles, if I give you weight, will be what? Start from weight, weight divided by molecular weight, you will come to number of moles, and then going outside, multiply by Avogadro's number, and you will get the number of particles. So I believe that you can easily travel from here to there. Is that clear or not? Yes or no? Okay, see, like it's just like that. Suppose आपको यहां से वहां जाना है, आपकी मम्मी ने भेजा है आपको कि भाई जाके मार्केट से सब्जी लेकर आओ, है ना? तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, चले जाएंगे भाई। तो आप जा रहे हैं यहां से, एक तो तरीका ये है कि आप सीधा आप सब्जी लेने पहुंच जाओ यहां पर, और एक तरीका और है कि आप यहां से निकलोगे एंड आप एक दूसरा रास्ता लोगे किसी एक स्पेशल इंसान के घर जाने के लिए, ठीक है ना, जिसके लिए आपने बहाने बनाए हैं, और आप वहां जाने के बाद फिर आप जो है सब्जी लेने जाओगे, फिर वापस से आप सीधे आ सकते थे, लेकिन आपने क्या किया? आपने दूसरा रास्ता चुना, लंबा वाला रास्ता चुना उस बंदे के घर पर जाने के लिए, और दर्शन करने के बाद आप वापस घर आए हैं और मम्मी को आपने सब्जी दे रखी है। ठीक है, आर यू गेटिंग दैट नॉट? तो ऐसा ना करें भाई, सीधे पहुंच जाए, सीधे भी जाया जा सकता है। गेटिंग इट नॉट? चलो ठीक है, तो लेट्स डू सम क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन दैट। सो आई एम गिविंग यू सम क्वेश्चंस। सपोज इफ आई गिव यू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 which says that I am giving you 69 gram of sodium. 69 gram of sodium, you have to find out the number of moles. Can you find out number of moles of sodium? Yes, we can find out. Number of moles is what? Weight of the substance given divided by the atomic weight. Since sodium is an atom, so I'll divide by atomic weight. It will be how much? 69 divided by 23. How much? It will be 3 moles. So I've got 3 moles of sodium in 69 gram. Okay, next question, chalo do it. So if I give you maybe 88 gram of CO2, so can you convert this into number of moles? All this at STP, number of moles will be weight of anything. This is a molecule, divided by the molecular weight. It will be how much? 88 divided by 44. 44 is what? 44 is the molecular weight of CO2. So it will be how many moles? 2 moles. So this is that easy. It's not that difficult at all. Achha, chalo tell you one thing. If I ask you one more question, what I should give you? Chalo, I'm giving you 49 gram of H2SO4. Can you find out the number of moles? Yes, we can. It is simple as that. Weight upon molecular weight. Since it is a molecule, so weight is 49 gram and molecular weight is what? 98. This will be half mole. So we are having half mole. Similarly, I believe you can find out the number of moles of any entity whose weight is given. You have to simply do what? You have to divide the weight by the molecular weight or the atomic weight as per the case, है ना? चलो, let's do some more questions. चलो, if I give you volume of gas, है ना? So I'm giving you question number 1. Volume of say hydrogen is, I'm giving you say 22.4 liter, है ना? All this will be at STP. All the questions I will be asking will be at STP. So who will tell me number of moles? Number of moles is what? Volume of the gas given, है ना, in the liters at STP divided by 22.4 liter. So how much volume is given? They have already given 22.4 liter. So divide 22.4 by 22.4. It will be how much? 1 mole will be there. Acha, chalo, tell me, in this question, instead of H2, if I keep helium, CO2, maybe CO, maybe SO2, SO3, NH3, any gas, will it affect it? No. For any gas, helium, CO2, CO, SO2, SO3, ammonia, if the volume of the gas taken is 22.4, and number of moles will be always 1. But remember that 22.4 liter is basically the molar volume. It's called molar volume. The volume occupied by the 1 mole of the gas. 1 mole of the gas is called molar volume at STP. Is that clear or not? So if I take any gas at STP, how much? 22.4 liter. It will be what? 1 mole. It is called molar volume. What is that? Volume of 1 mole of any gas at STP is called molar volume, and that value is what? 22.4 liter. Okay. So let me do one more question. So this time I'm giving you maybe 11.2 liter of CO2. Find the number of moles. So simple. Given volume 11.2 liter, divide by what? 22.4 liter will be how much? Again 1 by 2. And in this place of CO2, I can take helium, I can take hydrogen, I can take any gas. Any gas will do. Okay, it will be half mole. So remember these values, they are very, very important. So let's do some more questions. If I give you 44.8 liter of say carbon monoxide, find the number of moles. 44.8 divided by 2. 2 moles will be there. As simple as that. Come on. 67.2 liter of maybe ammonia or any other gas for that purpose. The volume, so number of moles will be how much? 67.2. The volume given in liter, of course, please check the units, and divide by 22.4 liter. How much you will get? You will get 3 moles. So please learn these values of the volume given. 67.2 is the important thing. And next one will be, like say if I give you 89.6 liter of say oxygen, then number of moles will be 89.6 upon 22.4 will be 4 moles. Are you getting that? So please learn these values. 44.8, 67.2, 11.2 liters, they are very, very important. 5.6 liter. If I give you, say, a 5.6 liter of, say, maybe SO2, how many moles are there? Come on. 5.6 divided by 22.4 liter will be what? 1 by 4 moles. So these are very, very famous values. I mean, you will find them randomly in any examination. Very often they are asked. Okay? Chalo. ठीक है, you will do that stuff. Now, if I give you number of particles, number of molecules, then what you will do? So let me give you, say 3.01 into 10 to power of 23 molecules of SO2. I am giving you. Can you find out the number of moles? SO2. This is SO2. So number of moles will be what? Number of particles given divided by Avogadro's number. We have just learned that stuff. And it will be how much? Number of particles 3.01 into 10 to power of 23 divided by 6.02 10 to power of 23. Okay. This will be gone and it will be 1 by 2. So we can find out the number of moles if the number of molecules are given to you. Okay, so let me do one more question. Say I'm giving you 6.02 into 10 to power of say 20 ammonia molecules. Come on, tell me one thing. Come on, number of moles will be how much? Chalo, solve it. Everyone solve it. Be quick. Arey, solve it. Solve karo. Chalo. 6.02 into 10 to power of 20 divided by Avogadro number 6.02 10 to power of 23 cancelled up. So this will be 10 to power of 3 now, and this is 1 upon 10 to power of 3 can be written as 10 to power of minus 3 moles. So these many moles are there. So it's not difficult, simple one, है ना? If you are doing genuine practice, you can easily get it done. Sure about it? Chalo, come. Okay, let's see that stuff. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me do some more questions. हाँ बेटा, why mole is important? I was telling you that why mole is important. See the purpose. You came late in the class, I believe. हाँ? Okay, सुन, मेरी बात सुन देख. अगर आप जाते हो, आप मार्केट जाओगे, है ना? आप मार्केट जाओगे, आपने कोई भी सामान लेना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ना, यू वॉन्ट टू बाय से सोडियम, यू वॉन्ट टू बाय सोडियम मेटल, और आप जाके उस दुकानदार से बोलते हो कि भाई मुझे 2 मोल सोडियम चाहिए. तो कह रहे क्या बोल रहा है यार, सोडियम चाहिए, सोडियम समझ में आ रहा है, कितना चाहिए भाई मेरे पास, मैं किसी भी चीज को या तो मैं ग्राम में दे दूंगा, या तो फिर मैं लीटर में दे दूंगा, या फिर मैं उसके नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल दे दूंगा. ये तो मोल के भाई, आम आदमी मोल नहीं जानता ना यार, और तुम कह रहे हो कि उसको मोल दे दो, तो वो आप उसको बोलो कि मुझे जो है एक्चुअली 23 into 2 हाउ मच, दिस विल बी 46 ग्राम. मुझे 46 ग्राम सोडियम चाहिए, तो वो आपको दे देगा, पर आप उसको 2 मोल बोलोगे तो वो नाराज हो जाएगा फिर आपसे, है ना? फिर आप फिर नहीं माने, आप बदमाश हो, आप फिर गए कि भाई मुझे जो है आई नीड लाइक से 3 मोल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. अब है ना वो गुस्सा हो जाएगा, बहुत गुस्सा हो जाएगा एकदम से, है ना? वो कहेगा भाई यार क्या बदतमीजी है, तुम मेरी इंसल्ट क्यों कर रहे हो यार? मैं ग्राम में मांगो मैं दूंगा, मैं लीटर में मांगो मैं दूंगा, आप नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल मांगो मैं दूंगा, है ना? पर अब ये मोल क्या कर रहे हैं, मुझे थोड़ी पता है मोल क्या होता है. आपने उसको 3 मोल हाइड्रोजन बोल दिया. अगर आपसे बोलते कि 3 into 22.4 इक्वल टू व्हाट, 67.2 लीटर, आप इतनी मुझे हाइड्रोजन दे दो तो मैं दे दूंगा यार. लेकिन आप ये क्या बोल रहे हो, मोल उससे थोड़ी पता है, मोल उसको नहीं पता है ना? फिर आप फिर नहीं माने, आप फिर गए कि नहीं इस बार मुझे आई नीड से 4.552 मोल ऑफ CO2 चाहिए मुझे. अब ना आपको डंडा पकड़ के मारेगा, बता रहा हूं. किसी के साथ ऐसे काम नहीं करो, उसको नहीं पता है यार, उसको पता है केवल ग्राम, लीटर और पार्टिकल्स. एक्चुअली केमिकल्स आपको मार्केट में इन्हीं 3 यूनिट से मिलते हैं, पर हमको क्यों चाहिए मोल? क्योंकि हमारी सारी इक्वेशन बच्चे मोल में लिखी जाती हैं, तो हमको तो इनको मोल में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. तो वो अभी मैं सिखाया है, आप उसको बाद में देखना, है ना? नोट्स बाद में लेना अपने दोस्त से, ठीक है? आगे बढ़े, चलो आ जाओ. चलो देखो, अब देखो सुनो, एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं. which has maximum number of moles. अगर आपने रिवाइज किया होगा तो आप ये काम कर लेंगे, अगर आपने रिवाइज नहीं किया होगा तो फिर आज आपसे सवाल नहीं निकलेंगे. चलो बताओ. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आई एम गिविंग यू, पहला ऑप्शन दे रहा हूं मैं आपको, लाइक से 64 ग्राम ऑफ SO2. सेकेंड ऑप्शन आई एम गिविंग यू, मे बी वी कैन हैव 10 ग्राम ऑफ हीलियम, एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन आई एम गिविंग यू, वी कैन हैव मे बी से 8 gram of say 8 gram of hydrogen, and fourth option I am giving you say 12 gram atom carbon, which has maximum number of moles. करो, solve it, all of you solve it. आ गया आंसर? अच्छी बात है. कौन सा आंसर है? कौन सा? थर्ड. ओके गुड. और बताइए, और किसका आंसर आ गया? आ गया आप सबका? कितना आंसर है? थर्ड. भाई सबका थर्ड ही आ रहा है क्या? थर्ड सबका थर्ड आ रहा है? चलो चेक करते हैं. कम. सो देखो वेट दिया हुआ है, सबका वेट दिया हुआ है. सो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ SO2 विल बी व्हाट? वेट इज गिवन एज 64 अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर वेट हाउ मच? Again 64. Sulfur is 32. O2 will be 32. So 32 plus 32, 64. This will be actually 1 mole. Now come on. Number of moles of helium. So weight is 10. It is an atom. So I'll divide by the atomic weight. What is that? 4. है ना? It got 2 protons and 2 neutrons. It will be 2.5. So definitely helium is more than that of SO2 in terms of number of moles. Come on. Number of moles of hydrogen. How much? Bolo. Weight upon molecular weight, that is 2, will be 4. Yes, among these three, this is like say Maximum. अच्छा चलो, who will tell me what, how many moles are there in 12 gram atom of carbon? How many? How many? One. How many people believe that this is actually 1 mole of carbon? बट आपने रिवाइज नहीं किया, मैं बता रहा हूं आपको, मैंने पहले ही बोला था कि आपको रिवाइज करना है, मैंने बोला था यार, ये जब भी कभी ग्राम एटम आएगा आपको साथ में पढ़ना है. दिस इज टू बी रेड टुगेदर एंड दिस एक्चुअली मींस मोल. ये ग्राम नहीं है, 12 ग्राम एटम नहीं है. दिस नॉट 12 ग्राम of carbon atom. This means 12 mole of carbon, and that means what? If I say this is number of moles will be what? 12 mole. These are 12 mole maximum number. It is answer is fourth. मैं वही बोल रहा हूं बच्चों, आप देखो, you will take these things too lightly if you will not revise. आप कॉन्सेप्ट पे काम नहीं करेंगे तो आपके आंसर गलत आएंगे बच्चों. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है बट इफेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है ना. तो आपको इस चीज पे कमांड करना है. मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि व्हेन दिस विल कम इन द एग्जामिनेशन और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चन, द चांसेस आर वेरी हाई दैट यू विल गो रॉन्ग. आर यू गेटिंग इट? चलो ठीक है, कर लिया नोट? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आओ आओ, कम कम कम. ओके चलो बताओ, which has maximum volume at STP, which has maximum volume at STP. First option I'm giving you, let's say 18 gram of water. Okay, 18 gram of water. Okay, second, चलो बताओ, let me say 20 gram of H2 at STP. Okay, and third option I'm giving you is, say, what I should say, 1000 gram of iron. Okay, fourth option I'm giving you, what I should give you. Okay, let's take, say, 12, not 12, let me give you 5 gram molecule, 5 gram molecule of CO2. Chalo, which will have maximum volume? Come on, find the answer. Maximum volume. Done? चलो, who सॉल्व हो गया होगा, तो सिंपल था, तो है ये, कुछ है नहीं. हाउ मेनी गेटिंग फर्स्ट इज आंसर? फर्स्ट इज आंसर. ओके, सेकंड इज आंसर. ओके, थर्ड इज आंसर. सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू गेटिंग थर्ड इज आंसर. थर्ड. ओके, फोर्थ इज आंसर. Okay, chalo, let's check it out. So 18 gram of water. Water is liquid and its density is what? 1 gram per ml. That everyone knows. So 18 gram of water is given. So 1 gram has a volume of 1 ml. So 18 gram will have a volume of what? 18 ml. So this is just 18 ml. And we know hydrogen is gas. So 20 gram of gas will be how much? Can I calculate number of moles? Number of moles will be how much? Weight upon molecular weight, that is 2. How many moles? 10 moles. So from 10 moles, can I find out the volume? Volume will be how much? Number of moles into 22.4 liter. Yes or no? So this will be 10 into 22.4. कितना आएगा? 224 liter. This will be 224 liter. 1000 gram of iron. यार ये तो 1 किलो आयरन है, 1 kg आयरन है. 1 kg आयरन कितना होता है? इतना तो होता है. 1 kg आयरन. अरे तुमने कभी जिम में डंबल उठाए हैं? 1 kg आयरन कितना होता है? जरा सा तो होता है यार, वो क्या ही वॉल्यूम हो जाएगा उसका, है ना. एंड देन दिस अगेन, दिस इज मोल. सो दिस इज 5 मोल ऑफ CO2. 5 मोल ऑफ CO2 और एनी गैस विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? हाउ मेनी? व्हाट द वॉल्यूम? वॉल्यूम विल बी 5 into 22.4 लीटर. कितना आएगा ये? इट विल बी 112 लीटर. 112 लीटर. आर यू गेटिंग दैट? सो हियर H2 is a clear winner with 224 liter. So answer will be hydrogen. Second will be this one. If they ask you in the decreasing order, है ना? And then this will be third one and this will be fourth one. Hardly 18 ml. This one very चुटकी भर, अबे चुल्लू भर पानी है, ठीक है? Okay, come. चलो एक क्वेश्चन और करो. do this question, and these are like say very good question. Come on, let's see that. If I ask you, which has maximum moles, maximum mole. Chalo, first option, 1 gram of oxygen atom. Second, 1 gram of O2 molecule. Third, 1 gram of ozone. Which has maximum mole? Or like say there is a fourth option also. Fourth option, मुझे मालूम है, equal in all. बोलो बच्चों, equal in all. देखो वही बता रहा हूं, जब आप है ना कुछ पढ़ा के आते हो आधा अधूरा सा, तो इस तरह से आपके आंसर गलत हो जाते हैं बच्चों. थोड़ा चेक इट आउट. वो जो क्वेश्चन आप मुझे बता रहे हो ना, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन एंड दिस अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन. सो बी केयरफुल बच्चों, प्लीज बी केयरफुल. आपका फोकस जितना अच्छा रहेगा उतना फायदा आपको. चलो बताओ, चलो टेक करते, आ जाओ. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ O will be how much? Weight upon, this is the atom. Atomic weight is what? 16, 1 by 16. गलती बात पड़ गई ना, मैं वही कह रहा था. Number of moles of O2 will be what? Weight upon molecular weight is a molecule, 32. And number of moles of ozone will be what? 1 upon 48. So which has got maximum number of moles? Clearly this one, out of 1 by 16, 1 by 32 and 1 by 48. This is the maximum value. Yes or no? Now see. Answer the next question. Which has maximum number of, I'm asking you now, maximum number of molecules. Come on. Maximum number of molecules. Who will have the maximum number of molecules? Come on. Okay. Got it. I'm getting it. So how many is saying first is the correct answer? Almost everyone. Okay. चलो चेक करते हैं. देखो बच्चों, first of all, so let me tell you, this is not a molecule, this is an atom. So first cannot be answer. It cannot be answer. You're not observing. आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन अच्छा नहीं बच्चों, अपना ऑब्जर्वेशन प्लीज आप लोग अच्छा करिए. ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा यार? है ना, छोटे क्वेश्चन है, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आप गिर जाओगे ऐसे तो. चलो, 1 gram of O2. Now number of moles you have got. So number of molecules of O2 will be what? Number of moles n into what? Avogadro's number. How many moles are there? 1 by 32 into Avogadro's number. Chalo, tell me one thing now. In this, number of molecules of ozone will be what? Number of moles is 1 by 48 and into what? Avogadro's number. So out of these two options now which are valid, I believe 1 by 32 is more than 1 by 48. So in this case, in the second question, maximum molecules, second will be the correct answer. Be very careful bachcho. Are you getting that? Chalo, let me ask you one more question in the same category. Let me see that whether we can make it happen or not. Okay, we can make it happen, and I'm putting it there. Oh yeah, chota there. Okay, here we go. If I ask you third question in the same category, which has maximum number of atoms? Come on, who will tell me? Maximum number of atoms. Yes, now is the correct answer which you are getting. Equal in all. Maximum number of atoms. So for that, I have to teach you one more thing. So it is weight, number of moles, and this is volume of gas in liter at STP. And this is what? Number of molecules, number of particles. Here you divide by molecular weight or atomic weight as the case may be. And to reach to number of moles from here, divide by 22.4 liter. Yes or no? Getting or not? And to come here, divide by Avogadro's number. So these are number of molecules. Hash means number of molecules. And from here, if you have to find out number of atoms, in that case you have to do one operation. What is that? You have to multiply the number of molecules by atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity is the number of atoms present in one molecule. Say for example, who will tell me what is the atomicity of ammonia? 1N and 3 hydrogen. 4. Yes, very good. 4 is the atomicity of ammonia. H2O, who will tell me? H2O, 3. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, it will be 3. Chalo, CH4, what is the atomicity? Come on. 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. It will be 5. Or chalo, tell me, O2, it contains 2 atoms. It will be 2. Yes or no? So if you find the number of molecules and you have to find out the number of atoms, what you will do? You will multiply the number of molecules by atomicity. And what is atomicity? It is the number of atoms present in one molecule. Okay? Are you getting that? Okay. Who will find out the number of atoms in H2SO4? H2SO4. What is the atomicity of H2SO4? 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 3, and 4 oxygen. 3 plus 4, 7. So it will be 7. Are you getting that, everyone? Okay, now come back over here. So maximum number of atoms. So let me find out first of all here, number of atoms will be like what? If I've got, this is an atom already, this is an atom already. So can I multiply number of atoms will be what? Number of moles 1 by 16 into Avogadro's number. So this will be what? Number of atoms. If I come over here, these are number of molecules. This is the molecule, these are number of molecules, and number of atoms of O will be what? Divide the number of molecules by atomicity. For O2, what is the atomicity? It is 2. So multiply this by 2, 1 by 32 into Na into 2. This will be gone and this will be 16 only. How much? Na by 16. So Na by 16 is the number of atoms here, and here also look at that thing. These are number of molecules of ozone, and if I want number of atoms of O, it will be number of molecules Na by 48 into what? Atomicity. What is the atomicity of ozone? 3 into 3 will be Na by 16. Are you getting that? Are you getting that or not, everyone? So number of moles or number of atoms is Na by 16, Na by 16, and Na by 16. Answer will be equal in all. Yes or no? Equal in all. So these kind of questions they will be asking you. So you have to practice these questions. And if you practice these basic questions, I believe that you will be in a very strong zone of handling much and more better things with you. So you just practice these things, and I'll catch you in the next class. Revise that. We'll practice more questions in the next class, boys and girls. Okay? Chalo, bye, bachcho. All the best. God bless you all. Bye bye.